keep on telling me this is fake. I am brave, but that's what I say to myself. Cause I'm making these waves and I'm making it happen. I'm up on this line, yeah, up on this line. I've been mentally drained, cause I've been losing my sleep. Gonna stay on the way, while you just...
So I've owned the A4 for a while, haven't made another video on it. I had this cheap eBay spoiler and honestly, I kind of hated it. So we're gonna use it to make a different spoiler. Just simple fiberglass kit from Walmart, trying to make that work. Also lost my front bumper, it got ripped off the other day. I have an external blow-off valve I need to put on. All this is kind of just to prepare the car for sale because the day is coming for this car to get sold, so enjoy it while I can, I guess. So I just kind of laid mesh on there and drew out the spoiler. It's not gonna be perfect, but it's enough to get me started with the fiberglass. And then as I go, I can totally add corners and stuff to make it the exact way I want it. But I like this. I think this one will look good. All right, now that I got some nets cut out, I'm just gonna lay resin on this. Not a thick coat, but enough to just kind of grab the net so it won't move. And then I'll do another coat on the net, lay another net down, do another coat. Try to build up a thick layer. Maybe let it sit for a little while, and when it gets tacky, I'll start laying more layers down to make it thick.
That's what she said.
So I've officially slung the kitchen sink at it. It took about 9 square feet of fiberglass so far, and I'm out, unfortunately. The Walmart kit wasn't enough. I had to go buy some extra resin, so Walmart kit is not enough. But I also got some short strand fiberglass Bondo, which is the next step. Come here, bro. Come here, bro. Come here. And this is why fiberglass is really good at making this mold. I tried the whole spray foam thing, it didn't work, so we're doing it this way because I think this is better and this is how I know to do it. So it's peeled off the car. Next part of this is gonna be this tiger hair stuff I was talking about. Also broke my diverter valve today, so Audi is officially stuck here for a little while. So I have plenty of time to work on this.